The wall's crying.
So, remind me of my senior prom.
Hey, sorry. Okay, so there's good news, bad news. The bad news is Megan and school aren't in her office, so she's like trying to teach. But the good news is she wants to be on staff.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah, so she,
Thank you.
you're a paid writer. Oh my god, she's getting on the buffet table.
She's crazy hot, huh? She's like a sexy scientist.
You need to go over there, man up. You need to go for it. We're counting on you, man. Man up, man up. Go for it. Man up.
You say man up. You cried during the show.